The first collapse was ruled an accident, a structural failure, a miscalculation, a weakness in design. That's what the official report said. But the timeline didn't make sense. The bridge was new, recently inspected, certified as safe. No warnings were issued, no cracks were detected, and yet it collapsed. Without delay, without resistance, thousands of tons of concrete falling as if they were never meant to hold. Vehicles disappeared into dust. Steel bent like it had already failed before. The investigation moved quickly, too quickly. Engineers reviewed the structure. Officials released statements. The cause was declared. Case closed. And then they rebuilt it. Stronger, heavier, reinforced beyond standard limits. Every weakness eliminated. Every scenario simulated. This time, failure was impossible. But something was wrong. Not with the materials, not with the design, with the pattern. Because before the second collapse, there were anomalies. Subtle at first, unnoticed by most. Witnesses reported vibrations, not constant, not random, rhythmic, precise, as if something was repeating. Sensors detected nothing unusual. Load distribution remained stable. Stress levels were normal. All systems indicated safety. Until the exact moment, everything changed. The second collapse did not begin suddenly. It began identically. Same point of failure, same sequence of fractures, same angle of collapse. Frame by frame, it matched the first incident perfectly, as if the bridge was following instructions. Engineers reanalyzed the data. Every calculation, every measurement, every simulation. No error was found. Nothing that could explain a repeated failure, except one thing. When both collapse events were layered together, they aligned completely. Force patterns matched, stress distribution identical. Even the timing was exact, as if the second collapse had already happened before it happened. The site is now closed. No reconstruction plans, no third attempt, just silence, and one question that was never answered. Did the bridge fail, or was it forced to repeat something that was already decided?